show the cleaning process in this house. He's spraying the ceiling right now with just water, which has to be done in very small sections at a time. Next he's going to spray on the cleaning solution. I'll tell you what that is here in a second. The speed is kind of the key here. Now he's getting the brush. These are difficult ceilings to brush because they do have a texture on them. It's kind of hard to get much brush action on these particular ceilings. These ceilings also have a tendency to suck up water. They might run one squeegee across, but then I'll have to end up putting some more water on. Normally I'm vacuuming the water the whole time while he's doing this, but I can't video and vacuum at the same time. So we decided to do this right here because he happens to be standing in the bathtub, and so it doesn't matter that I'm not vacuuming at the same time, since it's just going into a bathtub anyway.
I don't know.
Alright, so now he's going to go on to the next one. I'm going to walk in here for a second. So this is the cleaning solution here. So I'm going to walk in here and show you what we are using. Alright, we use any old dish detergent. Today we are using Ajax. Well shit, we used all Awesome. Nope, that's not the Awesome. Alright, I don't know where the Awesome went. But anyway, this is our second ingredient. This is literally from the dollar store. So totally awesome. You're going to use about half of that or 3/4 of that bottle. And then our third ingredient is a carpet cleaner that we're using. We get this from Anchor Supply in Dunbar. But those are our 3 ingredients. And the key is actually water. And as much as I tried to not use very much water, my ex-husband's chemical engineer, and he kept telling me water's the key, water's the key, water's the key. I didn't believe him. And guess what? He was right. Water's the key. So we'll come back in. I'm just going to move on to the next section. Try not to use too much water, but we have to use water. That's truly the only way to get it off. Spray in the solution. Rubbing as fast as possible, but you just can't move the brush on it very quick. But just getting to it as quick as possible really is the key, because otherwise it's just going to absorb right into the ceiling. In small sections at a time is also key, so that it doesn't absorb up. Yeah, he's going right into the tub with this. Normally though, we're vacuuming just as soon as that water's coming down, we're just vacuuming it straight on up immediately. Alright, this is into day 3. I hardly have it in me to walk through and show you anything, because again, it doesn't look much different if you just look at it. I need to take more video of actually doing things. We scrubbed that multiple times and try to get a lot of water on it and keep it going. We are done with this room, so we got the air mover in here, getting everything dried out, but this room is done. This was the highest room, it was a 5.7. This room is also done. I'm not going to walk in since really no reason to show you this. I need to take a video of actually doing it instead of what it looks like after. But I should show you me, is what I should show you, because good God, I've got some ugly going on, and I have earned every bit of ugly, because this has been a hell day. This room is also completely done in the kitchen. This was a low room to start with. I think it was something like 0.12. This room, get some light on here. The walls and ceiling are done, but we have not like scrubbed in the bathtub and the toilet and inside there. So that's like partially done. Alright, this one we have done the walls and we've squeegeed the floor up with all the water, but we have not scrubbed the floor, and then we have not touched any of this yet, which is the hardest part. The kitchen's like the worst of everything. We've worked on the heating cooling probably 3 times, but it needs more. I'm reluctant to do this, but I'm going to. I'm going to let you see how bad I look today. This is death. I have earned this look.